What up, big boss?
How are you?
What you got? What you got going on,
Thank you so much. Join with me again. Thank you so much. Okay.
bro? Hey, bro,
Okay.
we gonna, you gonna be responsible whether we're gonna be bros forever or bros for just 1 month. You're gonna be responsible if we are bros for 1 month or
Yeah, yeah,
forever.
yeah.
You wanna be brothers for 1 month or forever?
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long you been doing this, brother?
Huh?
You're gonna be my brother.
Yeah.
We're brothers, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
My last name is Siddiq.
Yeah. Siddiq.
Mine. Mine.
Yes. Thank you. Okay.
We're
G.
brothers. We're
Yes,
brothers.
yes. Yes, we are brothers. Yes. Thank you. Now, financial goals.
Can you remove Bob Ronix?
Bob, this Bob, remove. You need to remove.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay. I remove this. Okay. Now I need to go there. Click here. This is your nickname. Like, and basic insurance. No. Details about edit name pronounce. Edit. Oh, I see. I got. Okay.
Man, I was starting to get
Remove.
worried.
Remove this. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, remove.
Hey, I was starting to get worried.
Yeah. Okay, details targeting. Now it's okay now. Right now, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for giving me your time. Now, please give me. Wait. This is Ugh. Add account name and ID. Add account. Add account name. Brother,
Yes.
give me the info. Target location, gender, male, female, no both.
The
Age, language.
target location. Um, can we? What's better to do it in one state or multiple states?
If you have big budget, then you can select more location. If you have small budget, you can select your specific location.
Let's do. You mean city or state?
Yeah. Please type here all information in the Fiverr. Please type here.
Well, like on the target location, do you want me to send you the state or the city?
State is a big location.
Okay.
Big location. So first, let me know your daily budget. How much?
25.
$25.
Yes.
Okay. Then you can select city. City.
Okay.
City. Type here in the Fiverr.
How many cities? As many, as close as around?
How many city? Like 5, 10. No problem.
Okay,
5,
let me
10.
type.
Okay. Please type in the Fiverr text box.
Let me type Poppy.
Okay.
You're my Poppy? I'll send you the cities.
Cities. Okay, that's fine. Now,
Male and female.
okay.
Age 21 to 16.
Okay.
Daily budget 20, 25. What you mean brand name?
Brand name mean your business name.
G3 Group Financial. Give me the primary text. What do you mean?
Primary text means primary text means brother, this is primary text. This primary text okay? No, you need to change.
We need to change.
Please change this. Copy this now and paste you.
Send it to me.
Oh yes, please check it. Primary text will be France language, no English language.
Only Spanish.
Oh, Spanish. Sorry, Spanish. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, brother. Your primary text fine, but
Yes.
if I need, if I think you need to change some primary text, then I will change. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Tell me.
Okay. Now copy the primary text. Headline means this is okay. Headline.
Let's see.
Okay, brother.
Yes.
Okay.
And we need to change it or what?
Okay, I need to check. আজ কথা বলা দরকার, আমাদের আজ কথা বলা দরকার. Brother, it is not perfect for headline.
What
Okay.
should we put?
Okay, no problem. I will change. No problem. This is my work. Okay, no problem. I will fix this. Okay. Now, short description.
You want me to write it down or what?
Yeah, no problem. I will write for you. No problem. Then oh, then video. Brother, you include your all information in the video.
Just a messenger to respond back to the text message.
Okay, messenger text message. Yes, messenger.
Can we change send message?
Yes, I send message.
Yeah. Can we
Okay.
change the questions, the greetings, the greeting down? Go down?
Down.
No, not on that. Call to action, send a message. It's okay.
Call to action, send message. Okay.
Okay. Message template.
Yes, message template by Bob. Okay, now edit here.
Edit.
Hi, please let us know how can we help you. Phone number. Hi, this is okay.
No.
Okay, then give me your ask question.
How many? Just one or two?
Two enough.
Okay.
Now I delete all.
Yeah, delete number 3.
Okay, thank you.
Number
Give me,
2. Number 1.
Number 1 and 2.
Hold on. Let me send it to you.
Okay. Give me in the Fiverr.
Yeah, in the Fiverr.
First message and second message. Your mother language and my mother language difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, so very hard for me.
Can you put options for response?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold up. Okay. Hold up.
Hello?
Yes. Yeah. I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, okay. Give me the ask
Hold up.
question mark.
Just give me a second.
Okay.
Yeah. These. Yeah.
Click
I want.
this. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, brother. I understand that. No problem. I will fix it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
How many questions do we need? One or two?
Two question. Only two question.
Uh,
Brother, this okay?
no. No.
Then
It's
not suggest.
it's 5,000 a little bit or too much.
No. I will reduce estimate size. No problem. Now it is the most important, most important. This okay. Please give me some keyword like some keyword like your financial insurance agent, insurance company, financial service. Return and planning, banking.
Yeah. I think do we need more or that's okay?
I need to check update. I need to check it to okay, brother.
Yes.
Give me one or two keyword like all keyword mother keyword, all keyword mother keyword. Like your mother keyword means insurance. Am I right?
Yes. Insurance. Life insurance.
Life insurance. Yes, LIFE. Life insurance. Life whole life insurance and life insurance.
Yes.
Insurance, whole life insurance. This is your mother keyword. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. I understand. Now audience targeting. Okay. Okay. I will create custom audience targeting after 5, 10, 8, 1 week or 10 days after. Okay.
How many?
I will create custom audience like when I click a custom audience. So after 5 days or 7 days or 10 days. Okay.
So you're gonna change it every 7 days?
No, I mean you. Right now, I created your financial save audience.
Yes.
Now I will run your ads to follow this audience targeting. When we are got some user traffic data and you talk with on the messenger with some traffic, then we are create custom audience, then I will change regularly.
Okay.
Okay. And I really appreciate for giving me your time. Thank you, brother.
Hey, make sure that we do the work
Yeah.
so that we can continue working long term. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, for long time. Brother,
Long term. Not,
okay.
not just 1 month. Okay. Long term. Okay.
Okay, brother. Uh, if you have any question anytime, just inbox me Fiverr.
Okay.
Okay. Anytime, any question, just inbox me Fiverr. I am always give you my best service. Okay.
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 We
Thank you
will.
so much.
That way we can work forever. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Not just 1 month.
No. 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 No.
No, forever.
Whatever. No.
Okay.
No. Nah, I mean that my service. Now you accept my one order. This is only 1 month. Okay. This is
Yeah.
only 1 month. I will give you my best in 1 month. If you need my service more, then I will give you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.